Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. A blessing, man. How y'all doing, man? Happy New Year. It's 2024. I'm in the beautiful island of Guam working, you know. I took a hiatus from YouTube. Oh, shout out to Yeti, man. Yeti, send me some, Yeti. I took a hiatus from YouTube, man. I just been chilling, working, taking it easy, man. Life has been going good. Just out here working and going, man. Laying low, staying out the way, minding my business, man. But this year, I promise to give you guys some more content. Just hadn't felt like doing YouTube videos, man. Alhamdulillah. Most praise to Allah. But you know, I got a nice job contract out here. Actually, one of the best contracts I ever been on. And today, man, I figure I'll give you guys a tour of the Condo. I got a nice little studio Condo right here in Samuna Tuma, Guam. Shout out to everybody who ever been to Guam, but it's an island about 4 hours away from the Philippines. So I'll be doing a lot of travel in Southeast Asia, Definitely gonna go to Vietnam and do a little pho. I might do some pho cooking classes or whatever, man. But you know, I'm out here in my dad era, man. You know, all I wear, Cole Haans. You know, the best, most comfortable dad shoes ever. You know, Cole Haan. You know, got my golf shirt on with my golf shorts. Nothing like that golf fabric, man. I'm gonna give you guys a tour, man, of the Condo, man. Got Charleston White right there. I've been watching a lot of Charleston White. He's fucking hilarious, man. I like this little condo, man. I call it the Condo. I like this Condo because it gives me some nice design ideas. They got a lot of built-ins. I'm standing over here so you can get to see that. Little built-ins over there. I definitely gonna do something like that for myself. Ocean view. You know, wake up every morning, right there. You can see the ocean. Come on, man, big player shit, man. 65-inch TV. Oh, of course I got a little YouTube on. This is my office right here. Little office. Got the 40-inch monitor. Got the 40-inch monitor right here. Audio Teca. Some of the best headphones. I got my Maverick drone up there. Just some light. But it's a studio. See that? This chair came in handy. Little studio, you can see everything. I actually love small spaces. You know, every player gotta have them some candles, man. That's a little sandalwood and tobacco. I got like over there, I got like a patchouli or cedarwood or something. You know, I got my Yeti right here. So all we do here is pretty much go to the beach every day. This 10-ounce Yeti, man, keep a lot of whiskey in here. Ain't no whiskey in here right now. This is actually some juice I made. It's apple juice, ginger. Man, come on, man, check out them dad shoes, man. But you know how we doing it. Big Yeti cooler. It's the one with the wheels on it, Jack. It's the one with the wheels on it. My little bed right there. Some light, little queen bed. I got about some 600 thread count sheets on there. When I got my own, had to go get my own internet, man. Internet high as hell here. I think I paid like $120 a month. $120 a month for that. I'm running out of, I got about 2 squirts left for this Joe Malone cologne, man, at $154. Y'all want to donate some on the cause, holla at me. But like I said, it's a little studio, man, something light. Every player got to keep them a plant. Get them a plant. This is my plant. Her name's Stony. You know what I'm saying? My plant name's Stony. Yeah. You know. Keep that pelican thing. I keep a little wine. I'm out of whiskey at the moment. Just got my juice a couple weeks ago. This is called a Blucer by Breville. Every place I live at, I got a Breville, but this is by far the nicest one I have. It's a juicer and a blender. You can switch it out. When I moved to this Condo a couple weeks ago, well, about 2 months now, I had to make it home. So Y'all know I'm a pho fanatic. Had Bianca send me a bunch of pho packets. Send me some mamita and Burberry. I make pickles. A lot of people don't know that I make pickles. But you know, it's something light. My little yoga mat. Gotta keep my little yoga mat down there. My little beach chair, player shit. Real player shit, man. That Tommy Bahama. Keep that Tommy Bahama at all times, Jack. You know, just a little player shit, man. Ain't nothing to it. I just wanted to catch up with you guys. Say Happy New Year and see how y'all been doing, man. I'm really out here, man. Having a good time, man. Enjoying life. You know, health is wealth, man. I've been working out a little more, relaxing. Guam has been like rehab, man. It ain't a bunch of fat asses running around. It's about 20 men to every girl. So all the soldiers, all the military, they just snatched up all the decent looking women. Everybody who know I'm in Guam, that's the first question they ask me. How the women? How the bitches? I'm gonna start doing some tours of Guam for y'all. Guam has the most, how you say, they have the most massage parlors I ever seen in the world. I call it hand job. It's gotta be the hand job capital of the world, man. Every corner you got some side by side to each other, man. But that's all that's going on over here, man. I live in like one of the best neighborhoods. I think if you got a house, people live in like Barragata Heights, the Barragata area. I live in Tuman, Tamuni, right on the strip. Like you say, you can see the view. And you know, when I first got here, man, I was going to like finding little dive bars, little holes in the walls, man. But I still love to dabble in fuckery, so I love to go to the places where the fuckery at. So I'm going to the shitty dive bars, looking for the spots, because that's what I genuinely, naturally like. I'm not like sophisticated all the time, you know, but you just can't be different places because different places are gonna be a liability for you. As much as I like hanging out in dive bars, shitty places with scantily clad, dressed women, debauchery, it's a bad investment for me. So what I've been doing lately is I've just been enjoying the area I'm in. Yeah, I go hang out at the hotels, man. I hit the hotel bars, and you know, I like dive bars, I like cheap drinks, but I also want to be around a better quality of people. So I hit the Hilton, I hit the Westin, I hit the Hyatt, a bunch of nice hotels over here. Drinks, you know how hotel drinks bars is. They like $15, $12 a wop. And I'm like, fuck it, man. Give me a double Jameson. Give me a double J-Mo. I'm just gonna pay the cost, man, to have a good time and be around people that have things in common, you know, mutual interest and less drama. So I don't never forget I'm out here working, man. I'm out here working. So this is like the best contract I ever been on. You know, they pay for the apartment, pay for the F-150 I got, you know, per diem and shit. I'm gonna be here till they stop paying me, Jack. It's rare to be on a contract. It's rare to be on a contract in America and to get the kind of money that I'm getting. And I'm happy in the punk in prison, man. I ain't gonna tell you no lie, man. So that was just a little Condo tour, man. Like I say, Happy New Year 2024, man. Getting a lot of things together. Stay tuned for the next project going up in Playa Chiquita. Shout out to all my homies, man. I disconnected that Instagram, man, and I'm just focused on getting some bread, stacking and folding, man. Stacking some money, staying out the way, doing a little self-improvement, and I'll be getting these videos out to you, man, so stay tuned, man. Fight the power, stay black, keep it gangster, man. Hey, and all my what I need in 2024, man, I need some contract procurement officers, man. So A couple months ago, I got my landscaping business approved by sam.gov. So any of my guys out there who do contracts, know how to bid on contract, write proposals, holler at me. So that's my goal for 2024, is to get my first landscaping contract. So that's what I'm focusing on, the big money. I think YouTube is cool, and you can leverage your platform and make some bread, but I don't want to be a travel vlogger where I got to travel to keep that lifestyle up, or I want to be able to sit somewhere and make some money hand over fist. So look forward. I'll keep you guys posted as I start bidding on these contracts and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm out, man. Fight the power, stay black, keep it gangster, man. It's your boy the Blessed, man. La Bendición, man. Peace. I'm gonna go fuck with some hoes, man.